the alphabets, don't you, Elsa? Why, yes, I do, Anna. Let's see, we have our Sesame Street book, and there's Big Bird. Love Big Bird. Me too. Tell us who your favorite character is from the Sesame Street. Let's begin. Today, we're reading Big Bird's first book of letters, ABC. Oh, look at this. There's A. A is for apple. A is for Abby. And A is for ants. Do you see the ants? Do you see the ants? B is for Big Bird. B is for brush. B is for butterflies. B is for bath, bubble bath. B is for bubbles, bubbles. C is for Cookie Monster, cookie, cookie, cookie. D is for cookies. C is for cat. D is for Dorothy. D is for drums. E is for Elmo. E is for eggs. F is for flamingo. F is for flowers. F is for fish. G is for our friend Grover. G is for guitar. G is for globe. G is for grape. H is for hat. H is for heart. H is for a horn. I is for ice cream. There's Bert and Ernie with the ice cream. I is for island. J is for jam. J is for jacket. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. K is for key. L is for lion. L is for L is for leaves. M is for monkeys. M is for mitten. N is for notes, musical notes. N is for notes. O is for octopus. O is for Oscar. O is for ornaments. P is for pigeon. P is for prairie dawn. P is for pear. Q is for quilt. Q is for quarter. R is for rubber duck. R is for Rosita. R is for rug. R is for rug. S is for slimy. S is for sunglasses. S is for Snuffy. S is for spider. T is for Telly. T is for Tweedlebug. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. U is for umpire. V is for Valentine. V is for violin. W is for wizard. W is for watermelon. W is for wheat. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Z is for Zoe. And now you've read all your alphabets with Sesame Street and Big Bird. Yay! Subscribe, like, and share our videos. Until next time. Bye!
Today we're going to learn our colors. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Hey everybody, this is Princess Belle. Nice to see you. What color do I have in front of me? Let's see here. I'm gonna quickly zoom in on the Lego colors. Mine specifically, this one here is actually light blue. It's called a baby blue color. It's lighter than the normal blues that you have. It's like kind of like a sky blue almost. Okay, then I'm going to hand it off to my friend Ariel. I'm Princess Ariel. Nice to see you again. This one here is actually a yellow. Okay, so now on to my friend Anna. Hey everybody, Princess Anna here. This color that I have in front of me, this one here is actually red. Okay, so now on to my friend Rapunzel from the movie You Know What, Tangled. Hey everybody, Tangled here. This color in front of me is actually, it is purple, and you can see it. Oh my gosh, you can see it very well. Okay, so now on to my friend Sophia the First. Hey everybody, how are you? Nice to see everybody again, and many of you to our videos. The beautiful color that I have in front of me, this one here is actually green. Okay, so my friend, now Snow White. Snow White. Hey everybody, it's Snow White. The color that I have in front of me today, I love this color. Blue is the color in front of me. This is called a navy blue. It's a little bit darker than the sky blue. Okay, so this is a darker blue and it's called navy blue. Okay, so I hope you had some fun.
Subscribe, like, and share our videos.